Let's find out your pet's measurement. The easiest way is to use the collar you already have. Stretch the measuring tape and line up the collar like this. Note, that part should be out of the measuring. So in this class example, the collar will measure 18 inches. You can also use the tape measurement directly on your pet's neck. I suggest you to leave a finger inside, so it's a comfortable size. The correct way to measure is in the middle of the neck, neither too high nor too low. The most important thing is to have the right measurement of your pet's neck, and then of course assemble the collar in the size you planned. With the tape, mark the collar measurement on the table. It will help you with the assembly. From our corda box, let's get the paracord, the adjustable buckle, and our magic tools, the needle and the thimble. Make sure your buckle is centered. This step is super important, and once it's finalized, it will give you room for adjustment, tightening or loosening, for the perfect fit for your pet. Take the rope number 1, unpack, stretch the rope, place the ends together, and find the middle of it. Holding the buckle like this, introduce this loop in here, from the top to bottom. Underneath, grab these two strings together and run them, like this. Always hold the two strings together. Pull to tie the knot. Bring the ends together to confirm that the strings are aligned. If you have a difference of more than 1 inch, I suggest you adjust it at this moment. Now let's open the buckle. Turn this way. Put it to the mark we made and fix it on the table, like this. Let's do the same with the other side. Turn it over, position it to the right size and fix it on the table. This moment here is the most important one, where you must pay close attention so that the collar is in the right size. Now let's start making the guide cord, which is the base of the collar. Starting with the right string, the tip will go into this rectangle ring, from the top to bottom. Make it run all over. Now it goes to the right, passing over itself. Hold here with your thumb and with the other hand find the tip. This time it will enter from bottom to top. Make it run until it forms this little loop. Then introduce the tip from top to bottom, like this. Tighten the knot and make adjustments. Now let's do the same with the left rope. Take the tip, place it on the rectangle ring from top to bottom. Make it run. Now it goes to the left, passing over itself. Pinch with your thumb. Find the tip which will enter from bottom to top. Make the rope run until it forms a loop. And the tip will go in from top to bottom. The the paracord twisted, simply rotate and make it right. Adjust the 2 knots you just created. Good time to check the size. Next step, take the rope number 2. Unpack and stretch the paracords. We will need the needle in this step. Here's a tip. If your string isn't going to the needle, with a sharp scissor, cut the end diagonally. Burn it lightly for about 5 seconds. And press the tip like this. Put on the needle and screw. See? Much easier now. Okay, now the needle will go this way, from right to left, through these 2 knots we just created. Bring the ends together and make it run halfway. Keep adjusting while you're holding the 2 strings together. So we will have half of the rope for each side. Adjust the knots. Make sure they are aligned and the same length. Okay, just one more rope for the assembly to be ready and we can start to weave the collar. Unwrap and stretch the rope. This will be the middle string. It will go here from bottom to top. And then top to bottom. Bring the ends together to be well centered. Make it run halfway through. Make one last tightening of the knots. Just make sure they are well centered. Check the measurement and let's go to the next part. Assembly is ready. That was the hardest part. Now let's go to the next class to learn how to weave the collar. The movements are simple and once you learn, it's just repetition.